friends. Today we are going to derive an expression for potential energy of system of two charges. Consider two static charges located at infinity Q1 and Q2. The potential at the position of the charges is undefined because potential is given by kq upon r. When r equal to 0, the term is undefined. Hence, potential at the position of the charges is equal to, or it is undefined. And hence, potential at infinity is equal to 0 due to these charges. Consider an isolated system AB. Then the work done in moving a charge Q1 from infinity to the point in the system. And is given by W1 is equal to Q1 into potential difference between the point A and infinity. That is potential at A minus potential at infinity. Since initially there were no charges or no forces acting in this system, therefore potential at A is equal to 0 and potential at infinity is undefined. Therefore, work done in bringing a charge from infinity to the location A in the system is equal to 0. And when Q is fixed at the position A, then the potential at the point B due to the charge Q1 is Vb. Vb is the potential at B due to charge Q1, and Vb equal to kQ1 upon R, where R is the distance between A and B. Now, the work done in bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to the location B against the electrostatic field due to charge Q1. Therefore, an external force, continuous force must be applied on the charge Q2 to bring it to the point B. And hence, the work done in moving a charge from infinity to the point B is equal to charge into potential difference between point B and infinity. Hence, W2 equal to work done in moving charge from infinity to the point B is equal to Q2 into potential at B minus potential at infinity. And that is equal to Q2 into, but potential at B equal to kQ1 upon R minus 0, and that is equal to kQ1 Q2 upon R. This is the work done in bringing a charge Q2 from infinity to the point B against the electrostatic force due to charge Q1. Therefore, the total work done in bringing the charges Q1 in the absence of electric field and charge Q2 in the presence of electric field due to Q1 is given by W equal to W1 plus W2, and that is equal to W1 is equal to 0 plus W2 equal to kQ1 Q2 upon R. But according to the definition of potential energy of system of charges is defined as it is the work done in bringing charges from infinity to a finite distance or to a finite locations. Hence W equal to W1 plus W2 and W2 equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R, and W equal to U, hence U equal to U. It is the symbol used to represent potential energy. U equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R, or where K is Coulomb's constant and for air of vacuum K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Hence U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 upon R. And note that potential energy of a single charge is undefined. And next we shall derive the expression for potential energy of system of three charges. Consider three static charges located at the infinity. The potential at the position of these charges is undefined and the potential about the system is considered as 0. Now, the work done in moving a charge from infinity to point A is W1, and hence W1 is equal to 0 because work done in the absence of external electric field is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1. Now, work done in moving a charge Q2 from infinity to the point B against electrostatic field due to charge Q1 at A, and is equal to the charge into the potential difference. Hence W2 equal to Q2 in the bracket Vb minus V infinity, where Vb is the potential at point B due to the charge at A. And hence Q2 equal to, but potential at B due to charge at A is KQ1 upon R12, where R12 is the distance between A and B, and that is equal to multiply KQ1 into Q2 upon R12. Consider this as equation 2. Now, the work done in bringing a charge from charge Q3 from infinity to the point C against electrostatic field due to charge Q1 and Q2, and it can be written as W3 equal to Q3 in the bracket Vc minus V infinity, where Vc is the potential at C due to the charges at A and B. Hence, potential at C is the sum of potentials due to the charges Q1 and Q2. Hence, W3 is the work done in moving a charge from infinity to point C, that is equal to Q3 in the bracket potential at C due to the charge Q1 is KQ1 upon R13, where R13 is the distance between A and C, plus potential at C due to the charge Q2, and is written as KQ2 upon R23, and that is equal to KQ1 into Q3, that is KQ1 Q3 upon R13 plus KQ2 into Q3 is equal to KQ2 Q3 upon R23. Consider this as equation 3. Now, the total work done in moving the charges Q1, Q2 and Q3 from infinity to the locations A, B, C is equal to the sum of work done in bringing these charges from infinity. Hence, W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. According to the equations 1, 2, 3, W equal to W1 is 0. Hence, W equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R13 plus W3 equal to K Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus K Q2 Q3 upon R23. But we know that this work done against the electrostatic field is stored in the system as electrostatic potential energy. Hence, W equal to U, where U is the electrostatic potential energy of the system of three charges. Hence, U equal to, here K is common and it can recognize K in the bracket Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus Q2 Q3 upon R23, or it can also be written as U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where K is Coulomb's constant and K equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Hence, U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in the bracket Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus Q2 Q3 upon R23, and this can be extended for n charges also.